Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, let's talk about endo-friendly dinners. Dinners that actually heal. A dinner is the most important meal of the day, and this is crucial when it comes to putting endometriosis into remission. You can skip the breakfast, the lunch can be so-so, but the dinner have to be nailed to the perfection. So what are the common mistakes that the endo girls do when it comes to the dinner? First of all, we don't plan dinners. Dinners just happened and we don't have any plans whatsoever. So the very important thing what I do, I put all my recipes and all the ingredients just 1 week ahead. So when I'm going to the shop, I know exactly what to buy. So you have to have the fiber, which is very crucial with managing endometriosis symptoms. You have to have a good oils, and then you have to have a proteins, very important for vegans and vegetarians. And you have to have all the greens, all the leaves, all the anti-inflammatory things, as well as the snacks. But for the snacks, I'm gonna prepare the separate video, okay? So first mistake is not prepping your meals. Second mistake that I noticed that endo girls make when it comes to the dinner is that we are buying all the processed food, all the ready meals, all the things that are frozen. One is the takeaways, and that also comes with convenience. I understand, like I run a couple of things myself. I'm trying to juggle all of it, and I know it's sometimes very difficult to find the time to cook, but literally our health and our future depends on it. So I suggest, girl, you get your priorities right. Seriously, I'm not here to sugarcoat you. I'm here to tell you as it is, because if you're not going to take care of your health, nobody else will. Nobody else, because the doctors don't care, you know, no one else cares. And at the end of the day, this is your life. You've got important things to accomplish in this life, so you have to take these things damn seriously. And the last mistake that endo girls make is they are consuming the things with the high sugar, high processed refined sugar, and you can find it literally everywhere. So for example, the rice is high sugar, also the pasta is high sugar. Then if you add to the pasta sauce, like for example tomato sauce, it's full of high processed sugar as well. So what I'm doing, I'm just literally chopping tomatoes and using the olive oil and trying to make a sauce by myself. I know it's extra work, but at least I know what I'm putting in. To make your life more easy, I created 7 days free meal plans to help you with your endo diet. And it comes with a lot of benefits. But that's enough of me talking. Let me show you, girl. So this is the dinner planner. I put 7 very nicely prepared dinners for you that are easy, very easy to make, even if you are a beginner. The one that has the most ingredients takes up to 40 minutes, so there is nothing more than that. All the recipes are packed with anti-inflammatory foods. They are absolutely delicious. They're budget friendly, easy to make, and I make sure that you have all the ingredients that are actually going to help you without the feeling of restricting yourself. So this is 7-day meal plan. All the ingredients are available here in the Europe and in most of the countries, but if you are living somewhere else, and this is for my girls from India, Pakistan or Africa, and if you would like a special custom-made plan for you, absolutely for free, just because I love you, with all the foods that are available for you, please let me know. Just drop me a DM and I'm very happy to do it for you. For those who signed up into my course Biohacking Endometriosis and who got it already, all these meal plans will be available and are available for you in the module 1 into the attachment section. So just log in, go straight to attachment section and download it for you. It also comes with the grocery list, so all you have to do is print it out, and I got you sorted for 7 days. Please subscribe it and share it with others so we all can come together and heal together. I will see you next week in another video. See you soon. Bye.